Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove an admin member on WhatsApp in desktop. So get started. At first open your desktop. Now you can see remove an admin member on WhatsApp. Now go to the Chrome browser. Now click. Now you can see then open the Chrome browser. Now click from WhatsApp. Now click from going to the WhatsApp. Now you can see now loading from WhatsApp. Then you can see now open the WhatsApp. Now you can see now open the group. Now select from all friends group. Now click. Now you can see and click from manage community option. Now you can see then I show the new interface and say show add member and you and Newsdesk and community member. Now click from arrow option. Now click from dismiss and as admin. Now click from dismiss as admin. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see dismiss admin, remove an admin member on WhatsApp in desktop. So it's very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.